Whatever you call your dog is what people will follow you to call it. However you make your bed, so shall you lie on it. A lot of you will be angry when people say things about your place, but you are in the public displaying and confirming that what they call you is who you are. Look at this comment, threatening us. This is not the first, this is not the second that I've seen people threatening me, telling me, say Bini, they settle scores. But when people say Bini are known for courtesan and for killing people, you people get angry. Just like when I'm talking to my Igbo brothers that say they believe in ritual money. You can't be claiming that you believe in ritual money, but you're angry when people say you are a ritualist. You should accept it. What am I trying to say? You guys should be able to embrace the truth. Please, embrace the truth. Do you think any man will sow lies and reap good? This is what is killing this country. And you people don't know that what you people are doing is automatically proving that you people are the land grabbers. You people are the ones that want to invade us. Even in the 21st century. You are still threatening us so that I will use fear now and say, I don't want to be killed. I will start telling my people, we are not Igbos, so we are descendants of Bini. That's what you people are doing, because that's what you people have done in the past. In the entire history, it has been proven, written even by the Bini historians, that you people invaded Anyoma people. You people are land grabbers. But every time you people be saying you people are land grabbers, in the entire history, nobody can prove any land anywhere that Igbo man has grabbed or invaded. Just the same way the Britain invaded and colonized nations, yet are pointing and accusing finger to the Russians. That's what people are doing. You guys are the one that invaded people, conquered them, but yet you are pointing and accusing finger to the Igbos. But no matter how you conquer the place, we are still saying that you people conquered our lands. We not dispute the fact. But we are saying that the land you conquer is Igbo. You people are angry. You don't want to accept the truth. Instead, you are threatening us. And you are forgetting that we are in the 21st century. This century is called information age. Check out the revolution taking place. People are questioning Christianity, people are questioning their religion, people are questioning their tradition, because it's called information age. People want to get information. Call the truth. Nobody tossing a woman want to know the future of the woman. The people want to know the past, because with the past of the woman, you can tell whether she will be a good wife for the future. We want to know where we are going to. That is why we are talking about our past. We want our people to be free from the lies. That's why we are telling them about the past. And you people don't want to move forward because you want to remain in the lies, in the propaganda. You people want to conquer the land. You people want to grab it. You are the one using it directly, grabbing the land. And let me tell you, this is not a prophecy. Because we're in the 21st century, as I'm talking to you, soonest, a Bini man, a Bini son, not a mixed blood, will start telling you to your face that you people are from Ilefe. It will start telling you that you people we don't have anything linked between us. You will see it. Because 3 years ago, 4 years ago, nobody in Anyoma believed that one day, hundreds of people will start making videos like me and be saying we are not descendants of Benin. Few months ago, if they have told the Kwere people that the son of the soil will be telling them to their face that it's not an Ijaw man and it's not a descendant of Benin, that he is an Kwere man, but an Igbo person, they won't believe it. This life is forward ever, backward never. Stop holding on to your past. You have an election in 6 days coming. Instead of your social media handlers to be online, be telling people who to vote, the best candidate, educating your people how to manage themselves in this present economy, all you will be writing is and Bini people find Ohofia, Bini people find Arochukwu. And when we are talking about Benin, I'm not talking of the entire Edo state, because state is not tribe. Ishan is there, Afema is there. We know there are different tribes in Edo state. I'm talking of you guys are from Benin. I'm telling you this thing now. Time is coming when your son will tell you this truth to your face. Say, Mokona leave Igbo people. They are not our descendants. make una leave our normal people there. You will see it will happen. This is not a prophecy. Now I'm telling you by analysis, by the event of the day, a revolution is taking place. People are beginning to speak up because this is called information age. People should focus on things, not using misplaced priority. We don't share the same state, but I don't see the reason why I'm saying I'm an Igbo person in Delta State. No, now where those states is the verse. The Yoruba people that we share the same state have not been complaining since we started fighting for Anyama State. The Yoruba people, the Isoko people, the Shakiri are not angry. You hardly see them online. Now they make video, they can't tell us why. Because you are the land grabbers, you will feel intimidated that the supremacy of dominating us is about to die. Wake up from your sleep, bro. This is 21st century, not 1912, not 300 BC. This is not an alien age. This is a technology and information age. I'm out of here, Joe.